as an immigrant who became an American, I equate being Jewish and American, and I'm probably a better citizen than most. I remember that in 68 to 72, when the student revolts took place, we had the SDS and other societies. I was out there preaching to the students how to be a good American. So what I think I would like to transmit to future generations is the freedom that America has given me, the culture that Judaism and my background has given to me, and I think the two together are very much compatible. Even today, when things are pretty awful in the United States in terms of the economy and politics, I have not lost my optimism for the future of the United States. And one reason why I'm such a believing American is it is really the one country where Jews are able to be Jews and citizens at the same time. And that is what I hope the future will hold.